Okay, I have a new adventure, and it's called Tabbys Adventures with my cat. She is. I'm watching I Space Out iCarly, if you're wondering why it's like this. Yeah. Who's my kitty? Who's Tabby? Who's my Tabitha? You are. Let's get close up on your face. There we go. Cutie. Who's my cutie? You are. I'm your cutie, Emma. Yeah, you're the cutest little girl. She is sleeping on the couch right now. Yeah. So this is one of her adventures. Tabbys Adventures. Tabbys Adventures. Over here, you like when I put you in your nose. Yeah. You like that, don't you? You love it. Okay. Bye, everybody. She doesn't really talk like that. Say bye, Tabby. Bye.